Hey everyone, so I'm hoping just to do a quick walkthrough of Microsoft Office 2013 Integrated Applications. I'm in Access Chapter 4, that's on page 206. Right now I'm looking at my student data files, and we're going to go ahead and open up the Brevant publishing file here, wherever you might have that saved. And now I'm looking at page 208. So what it wants us to do is we're going to look in the navigation pane and grab the customer financial report. So let's go ahead and open this over here. Customer financial report is right here. So it wants us to look at this in the layout view. So up here, home tab, views section, we're going to do layout view. And then it looks like it wants us to close the navigation pane, so we're going to go ahead and do that. It says if the field list appears, to go ahead and close that, and if it were here, which it's not on my screen, we would click this button right here to remove it. But the next step, it looks like it wants us to group and sort. Let's see, for the customer number. Okay, so we're going to go to group and sort. We're going to click add a group. Click the customer type field to select the field and the grouping. Let's see. Customer type, customer name, customer type. And then we're going to go, oops, did I do it too many times there? So let's do it like that. Customer type, and then we're going to go to add a sort. And then we're going to sort. I'm looking at page 210 now. Click the customer number field. Yep. Okay, so by customer number. Oop, did I click name? I sure did. Customer number. Okay, so now we have a group of customer types sorted by the customer number. Okay, and that's going to bring us, let's see, all the way over to page 212. Now we're going to hit the amount paid column header to select the header. So amount paid right here. Tap or click the totals button. So that's going to be right over here in the grouping and totals. And then we'll give that a sum. Let's see, there it is right there. And it says if it doesn't appear inside the boundaries, we're just going to click and drag that boundary a little bit down. And there we go. Okay. So now I'm looking at page 213. We're going to use the same technique for current due, total amount, and returns fields. So we're going to click the header. We're going to go over here to the totals, and we're going to sum it up right here, here, and here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the header of these columns, and then I'm going to totals and choosing sum out of that drop-down menu. Okay, tap or click subtotal of the total amount field to select it. So here we're going to go to the subtotal of the total amount field right here. We're going to select it. Tap or click the property sheet button to display the property sheet in the subtotal control. So that is going to be over here right under the tools. And then from there we're going to go to format. We're going to click this little arrow here and we're going to make it currency. Not too shabby. Let's see. So then we can go ahead and close the property sheet and scroll down. We are already in the total amount column. So we're going to scroll down to this grand total down here. Let me make sure that's actually already currency. So not quite at the bottom of the sheet. Pretty long sheet. Okay, right here. So in that same column right down at the bottom, we're going to go to that grand total there. We're going to select that and we're going to do that same process. So by going up here to property sheet, we're going to select the drop down for the format and we're going to make it a currency format. All right, so that takes us over to our next page, and let's see. We're going to sort and group. We're going to click this guy over here to remove the pane at the bottom. So I'm now looking at page 215. We're going to scroll to the top of the report. There we go. We're going to click the format on the ribbon to display the report layout tool. Let's see, format. Okay. We're going to click this. Okay, we're going to click Current Due field on the first report to select the field. So let's see, Current Due. Here we go. Come here, little button. There we go. So now I've selected that whole column. We're going to tap or click Conditional Formatting button, which is going to be in the Report Layout Tools Format tab. We're already in there to display the conditional formatting rules. Okay, so that button is going to be right here. We're going to give that a click. We already have Current Due in there. And so far there's no rule applied, but it looks like that's where we're going. So we're going to tap and click the New Rule button right here to display the new formatting rule dialog box. Now tap or click the arrow to display a list of available comparison. Let's see. Field value is between, is that what we want? Greater than or equal to. Okay, field greater than or equal to. Tap or click the box of the comparison value. So then we're going to go over here and we're going to do 6,000. 6,000. And tap or click the font arrow. So right here, what color is it going to want? It's going to want dark red in the lower left corner. Let's see. There's dark red. It's in the lower left corner. We'll give that a click. Tap or click the OK button. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that there. And now we have our new rule in there. All right, now I'm looking at page 218. Tap or click the OK button on the conditional formatting box. So I'm going to do that there. And then save your changes by tapping or clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. So since this is a save spot, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and move on to the next one.